Another one of the questions was, is there a correlation between tritype, instinct, and autism, ADHD, nonverbal learning disability, synesthesia, and being a highly sensitive person? Absolutely, there are correlations. And you can have ADHD or autism or any learning struggle in all 9 types. It will show up differently. If someone has 5 in the tritype, they'll be less inclined to move towards others. If they have 9, 6, and 2, even if they don't necessarily know how to judge a situation and say the perfect comment, they still will attempt to do that. Graciousness would still be important because the 269 is very focused on being in relationship with you, with their neighbors, with the people, even on the freeway. I always laugh at that one because my mother-in-law had said that when she's driving, she's sick, she'd always look at the other cars, see who was in there, and did they seem friendly? And then if there was an accident, she'd know which car to go to. So see how fear can be a motivator. It can direct us. And people underestimate the way shame is a motivator and the way anger is a motivator. And we all have all 3. It's just what order do we use them in? Oh, I promised to do a little quickly. This is on my website where you took the test, which is https://Enneagram Type test.com. And also my other website, KatherineFauvre.com. I've introduced different combinations like blogs or what have you, but they're under the Tritype section.